What about? What about? What about? What the fuck on my lip? Hi guys, welcome back to Beautywithty. So today I'm going to show you how I got these knotless braids. You guys, for some reason, I guess because knotless braids are a little bit hard for me, but this style was very challenging. Like, knotless braids are so difficult for me, but I'm going to show you guys. And it took me about a total of 16-17 hours to complete my hair. It is extremely long, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, we're going to be working with this today. Let me go ahead and section my hair off. All right, y'all. I actually got in the shower. This is the only section that I blow dried. And by the time I get to these, my hair will be dry. And I'm going to clip my ends during this style. So I'm going to be doing that. Since I'm doing these really small box braids, I'm probably going to cut my hair. Yeah, because, you know, cut your hair, it grows. Let me show you the hair I'm using. It's by Bobbi Boss, Just Glam, 65 inches. So it's pretty long. And then I also will be using my whipped hair butter and my hair oil. And I also will be using my She's Balm Goo and my jam. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so for the braiding hair, each braid will have about that much. And I'm clipping my ends. You see, kind of see like right here, all that bunched up. I'm cutting it off. Hair butter, goo. So for in the back, I go underneath like this. We're just going to plait it. Okay, see? And I put it on my hand like this. Hold it, and I just grab it. Alright, you guys, so it is the next morning and I have this little section, this row, and this back section. I worked on my hair till 4 o'clock last night. 7 hours just on this. Figured I'd jump to the front, you know. So my edges are a bit damaged. So my edges, I'm just, whatever, I'm giving myself a haircut. That's what I'm saying. A little bit of hair butter. She's Balm Goo. Okay, let's start underneath. Pull that tight. Okay, I'm gonna start this one off as a braid. Like, I'm still experimenting. Okay, that one was way better. So that might be how I need to start. Okay, let me try that one more time because I think that's it. So, section my hair off, clip my ends because they are damaged. Add some leave-in conditioner, add some hair butter. She's Balm Goo. Get my 3 pieces equal parts. Okay, so start off with the plait, and you want to make sure you stay close to your roots the entire time. Only do it once. So now add the braided hair underneath. Keep it close to the root. I'll pull it a little bit. Make sure it's still close. Pull a bit, place underneath, braid, pull a bit, and continue down. So I only add in 3 pieces, and I start off with the plait. So that looks a little better. If your hair is not kinky, if your hair is straighter than mine, oh boy, I hope your grip game is strong. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on my hair for a couple more hours and then I shall return. Oh my God, I got a minute. I'm so over it. But look, I only got 2 more rows. I tried to make sure I had a straight middle part, so, but they look so, y'all, they look so good. And I still have to braid the front to the ends. And then I can head to the back. And these, I'll probably just do these regular. I'm adding in one piece of hair. I'm not doing the feed in back there. What about? What the fuck on my lip? Finally done with the top. It is 1:44 in the morning. Sheesh Louise. And all I'm doing is just following the row around. All right, y'all, finally my last one. Start off my sections, do a plait, and then I feed in the hair. All right, you guys, so I'm all done with my hair. Y'all, this took me about 15, 16 hours total. Took me a little minute. Okay, last I'm gonna just add some of my hair oil throughout my scalp. Oof, ooh, that feel good. Woo. Braids a little tight. Ooh, boy. Let me give y'all an update on my hair. So it's been, today is Wednesday, so it's been 6 days since these braids have been in my head. I did take my edges out because, honey, that edges is too tight. Took those out, and then I even took out the back row because it was too tight. I don't know, I couldn't get it. So let me show you how I've been wearing it since like 3 days ago or whatever. I just swoop my edges, and then in the morning I'll just wipe the gel and stuff off. Ooh, child. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and moisturize my hair. I like to use this leave-in by Cream of Nature. And then I go in with my hair oil. And then I use my whipped hair butter. And I do that every day because I'm trying to make sure I moisturize my hair and whatever. So I'm making sure I get my roots, and I'm making sure I actually get my hair. So let me swoop my edges really quick. So I take my She Is Bomb Go. Yeah, pretty heavy-handed with it. So I'm gonna put this into 2 swoops. So here's the first one. And then I just swerve it around right at the root. Okay, and this one gonna go into, and this second one gonna go into this one. Now take it and swoop it. Okay, boom. This is how long they are. So yeah, you guys, I'm doing a lot more natural styles, taking a little break from wigs. So any other styles that you would like to see, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.